How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Firestick device. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. And you can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar you need to start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's click on it, and now here's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to the settings on your Firestick, so click on that button with a gear icon, and then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. And if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, open it, and in here, what you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. And now let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Serbia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device and finally start up the downloader application. And now what you have to do in here is just open the search bar, which you can see, and start typing in the codes. So the first code will be 647190. So once again, 647190. That is the first code we'll be using today. So enter the code as you see and click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now as you can see, the app already started downloading. Literally took us only a couple of seconds. Then you click install and make sure that the app gets installed to your Fire TV Stick. And after that, After your installation is finished, don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it up, wait a bit until it loads, and here at the bottom you will find the first app that we just downloaded. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And so just like that, we get the first spicy app to your device. And now we go back to the downloader and I'll show you how to get even more amazing applications to your Firestick. So we went back to downloader, have to click on home again, then erase the previous code as it is not needed anymore, and now we'll be using different codes. So now the second code we'll be using will be 863078. So 863078, that's the second code we are using. Click on the go button, and now the download of that second app should start for us. Just like previously, it shouldn't take too long. And there you go, the download process officially has started for our Firestick device. Then you click install and make sure that it installs on your Firestick. Usually it won't take longer than a couple of seconds. And then again click on done to get rid of those unnecessary installation files. And now let's go back to the list of applications on the Firestick, which is right here. Open it up, and there at the bottom you will find the second app that we have installed. So let's put it up front as well for easier access of such applications, and of course head straight back to downloader to get even more applications for you today. So now we'll be downloading the third app, and the code for that will be 9535662. Once again, 953562. That is the third app we are getting. Click on the go, and just like that, we'll start downloading the third application of the day. Okay, go, the file is already downloaded. Let's also install it to your device, and then click on done to delete the unnecessary installation files. So delete and delete. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and there's the third application. So put it up front and head straight back to downloader to get even more applications for you today. So we click on home and get you some more apps today. Now the app number 4, the code for that will be 438713. So 438713. That is the code for app number 4. Click that go button and just wait for the download to start for you. And there you go, the download has started. Click install and install the app to your device. And then of course, as always, we delete the unnecessary installation files from the Firestick. And of course, let's head back into the list of apps. Open it up, and there's the app number 4. Put it up front, just like that, and now it's gonna be at the top of your application list. And what do you say? Should we get you more apps? I think yep. Let's go back to home and get you one more amazing application to your Firestick. So the code for that will be 127586. So once again, 127586. Click on the go, and yep, we're gonna start downloading the 5th application of the day. There you go, click install, and now the last app is downloaded and installed properly on your device. So we just go back to the list of applications, open it, and here is the 5th and last application of the day. Put it up front as well, and of course, as always, enjoy the apps and don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe online. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.